Welcome to Best Productly.
Ten Best Keyless Entry Door Lock of 20. We are going to check out top 10 best keyless entry door lock in current time. I mean, this list is best my personal opinion, and I try to list them best on their price, quality, durability, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about this keyless entry door lock, you can check out the link down in the description and comment section below. So let's get started with the video.
Top 10.
TEEHO Keyless Entry Electronic Door Locks with Keypads. Deadbolt Smart Lock. Front door lock set with door knob. Auto lock, easy installation. Satin nickel. Smart locking. Door locks with keypads can be set to lock automatically in 1099s, securing your home. Press and hold any key on keypad for 2 seconds to lock the door by one-touch auto lock. Unlock the door in the dark with the backlit keypad easily. Passcode entry. Keypad door lock with handle provides 20 access codes for family use and an available temporary code for the single guest entry.
Top 9.
LaView door lock with keypad, keyless entry door lock, electronic deadbolt lock for front door, bedroom door, garage door, auto lock, one-touch motorized locking. 20 user codes, easy to install. Keyless entry and 20 passwords. Opening your door with our
Top 8.
SCHLAGE B365V Cam 716 Camelot Keypad Deadbolt, electronic keyless entry lock, aged bronze. Keyless convenience. Use 2 pre-programmed codes for easy setup out of the box. Assign up to 19 codes for trusted friend.
Top 7.
Fingerprint door lock. Veise keyless entry door lock. Electronic keypad deadbolt with keys. Biometric smart locks for front door. Auto lock, anti-peeking password. Easy installation. Oil rubbed bronze. Fingerprint unlock. Identify your fingerprint within 0.3 seconds. Unlock your door within 1 second. The biometric fingerprint recognition rate is 99.99%. 4-in-1 unlock. 20 fingerprints plus 20 passwords plus 2 spare keys for family use plus one-time password for temporary visitors. The one-time password will be automatically deleted after use. Security locking. Smart door locking.
Top 6.
Kwikset 92640-001 Contemporary Electronic Keypad Single-Cylinder Deadbolt and Kwikset 94000 and 2-852 TEEHO Keypad Entry Knob with Smart Key Security in satin nickel. Updated packaging. Product 1. Keyless entry with a motorized driven deadbolt for one-touch locking, low battery indication, and easy install with just a screwdriver. Product 1. For use on exterior doors where keypad entry and security is needed.
Top 5.
SCHLAGE EFE 575 PLOI 626 ELA Plymouth Keypad entry with auto lock and Elan levers, brushed chrome. Keyless entry for enhanced security, no keys to lose or forget. Auto lock feature automatically relocks after 5 seconds. Keypad illuminates so you can see it at night. Codes easily added or deleted right at the keypad using the lock's unique 6-digit programming code. Includes 9-volt battery, a 6-digit programming code, and 2 to 4-digit user codes preset at the factory.
Top 4.
TEEHO T001 Keyless Entry Door Lock with Keypad. Smart Deadbolt Lock. Front door lock with 2 keys. Auto lock, easy installation, satin nickel. Passcode entry. This keypad lock provides 20 access codes for family use and an available temporary code for the single guest entry. One-time code. A one-time door opening PIN code can be set, and the PIN code will be automatically deleted after use. Smart locking. Automatic door lock can be set to lock automatically in 1099s. One-touch auto lock can press and hold any key on keypad for 2 seconds to lock the door.
Top 3.
Fingerprint door lock. TEEHO TE002 Keyless Entry Door Lock Deadbolt. Electronic door lock with keypad. Combination door lock. easy installation, oil rubbed bronze. Fingerprint unlock, biometric fingerprint identification. It recognizes your fingerprint in just 0.3 seconds and unlock your door in 1 second. Keyless entry. This keypad lock provides 20 access codes and fingerprint for family use and an available temporary code for the single guest entry. One-time code. A one-time door opening PIN code can be set, and the PIN code will be automatically deleted after use.
Top 2.
Keyless entry door lock. Veise electronic keypad deadbolt, Keypad entry, auto lock, anti-peeking password, backlit and easy installation design, oil rubbed bronze. Keyless entry. With 20 password code plus 2 spare keys plus one-time password for temporary visitors, the one-time code will automatically deleted after use. Smart and convenient, with anti-peeping function when entering passwords, and the front door lock set can auto-lock in 10 to 99 seconds, or press a key for 2 seconds to lock the door manually. Security keypad deadbolt. The smart door lock has BHMA certification, made with sturdy lock cylinder and alloy. Powered by 4 AA batteries, work last for more than 1 year.
Top 1.
Smart lock. Eagletop 6-in-1 keyless entry door lock for front door. Electronic door lock with biometric fingerprint, app, IC cards, auto lock, fingerprint lock on door for home, apartment, black. 6-in-1 smart door lock. This 6-in-1 door lock can be opened by fingerprint, anti-peep password, IC card, app, Bluetooth, and mechanical key. The response time of this digital door lock is as short as 1.3s. Easily realize multi-user management, which is safe and convenient. It is suitable for use in various scenarios such as home, apartment, hotel, office, etc.
You can check out the link for latest price. Guys, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the link button below, share with your friends and be sure to subscribe.